Angel, he wants to snuggle with you. See, he just wants to snuggle. Snuggle, snuggle, snuggle. She's trying to get him to chase her. Oh, it's so cute. He wants to cuddle and she wants to play. He's being so good, not using his claws.
Winds of only about 40-50 miles per hour. You see the fair skies in the Big Lake right now, and as you can tell across a good part of the Northeast, dry air is winning the battle all the way back to New York and into a good part of the Great Lakes. And as it rushes on in here over the next several days, we're going to share in the dry, comfortable conditions tomorrow and again on Saturday. That means all the moisture is being pushed off to the east and allowing the dry air to build on in. Then more changes come before we get through the end
Angel,
of the weekend. Right now,
be a good girl. Say hi. Say hi. He just wants to play. He just wants snuggles. Give him snuggles. See, he just wants snuggles. Are you not going to give him snuggles? Oh, see? Trying to get some snuggles.
It extends again through the Great Lakes, a very weak disturbance popping up in the northern part of the plains upper Midwest, and that will approach here sometime late Saturday evening, and then more unsettled weather gathers behind that.
Oh, Angel!
And then approaches as we get into Saturday night and the second half of the weekend. So,
Oni.
things first, the fair skies tonight and a lot of dry air in place. That means a big temperature tumble.
Hi, Oni. Come here, Oni.
Mid to upper 50s downtown Manchester and right along the coast. Lots of sunshine for a fantastic Friday. Temperatures between about 80 and 85. The air nice and dry as well. Maybe a few fair weather clouds dotting the skies across, especially the north country.
His favorite thing to do is go underneath her.
On average, mostly to partly sunny. And here's that next disturbance that will approach later Saturday evening. So
Go snuggle with them.
pop-up shower, thunder shower somewhere near sundown on Saturday, and that front will be up, unfortunately, for the second half of the weekend, so those shower and storm chances will increase. Highs tomorrow, 50s across the board until you get...
I'm sorry, Oni. She doesn't want to snuggle.
Mid to upper 70s in the valleys, and a great beach day as well. Whether you're going to hit the beach or you're going to hit the lakes, no water spouts. We've got temperatures into the low 80s. High tide near midday, so that means you'll lose the beach real estate as we go through the lunchtime hour and then gain it later on in the afternoon. Very high UV index, so apply that sunscreen early and often sees about 2 to 4 feet. And your ocean temperature, a mild 64 degrees. So water temperatures, by the way, are very warm this time of year, but they're running about
Nope, you can't get away from Oni. No, you can't. Nope, you can't get away. Just waiting for snuggles. He just wants some snuggles. Snuggles, snuggles. Cute little snuggles. Yeah. He's just looking for snuggles, silly girl. He just wants some snuggles. Yeah.